Next week, Texas will receive about 500,000 fewer doses of the COVID-19 vaccine than it did this week. And that decrease is due to manufacturing issues with the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Our Caroline Vandergriff looks at the impact that will have on North Texas.
Texas is preparing to get just a fourth of the amount of Johnson & Johnson vaccine it received this week. Since that vaccine only requires one dose, health officials say it's critical to reaching underserved communities.
Many people need the one and done. So we're using 3,000 of that next week to try to get to our shut-in population, people who are on home health care, who it's hard to get to them, so we'll get to them the one time.
The state expects smaller weekly allocations of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine until a plant in Baltimore gets authorization for production.
Looking ahead, I don't know yet what the true impact will be. We're going to have to be much more strategic and much more laser focused in where the limited Johnson & Johnson goes in order to make sure that those that are most vulnerable and can't get to other vaccine easily have access to the limited J&J that we will have.
Despite the sharp drop in the amount of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, 1.9 million doses are still headed to Texas next week. All people aged 16 and up are now eligible, and it's becoming easier than ever to get a shot.
There was a lot of pent-up demand, and those people have pretty much been served. Now we're dealing with people who have signed up very recently and are getting the vaccine.
So at this point, has Dallas County essentially cleared its wait list?
There's not a waiting list anymore. Just sign up and you'll get your vaccine, within that day or the next day.
Tarrant County Public Health also cleared its wait list today and says people who sign up can expect to be contacted within 48 hours with an appointment.
So please do your part and get vaccinated as soon as possible.
Caroline Vandergriff, CBS 11 News.